Hello guys, Jeff is here again on Learn Digital Skills. Alright, so today we are going to be saying how we can actually create a PowerPoint presentation using AI, which is artificial intelligence. Alright, we all know that using artificial intelligence actually makes our work faster. So we are going to see the simple way or the little trick in which you can actually use artificial intelligence in PowerPoint presentation. And we are not just going to be using it on the software, instead we're going to be using it from the web. Now I found out that most people don't really have Microsoft Office on their systems that is up to date. They find it difficult to actually get it, so I'll be taking you guys on this tutorial on how we can actually create a PowerPoint presentation using artificial intelligence from the web. Alright, so all you have to do first here is just log into Microsoft.com on your web browser, whichever browser you're using. Just go there, search for it, and then you log in to it. Alright, so we are now going to see how we can actually create from this to this. Alright, so let's continue. Alright, so after creating this, what are we going to do? You click on your PowerPoint here. This is my PowerPoint. You tap on it and then you come to blank presentation. Alright, so when you open it, this brings you here. Now these are my slides, and I have some of these writings on my slide, which is the business company. I have them already on my slide. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to start with the AI presentation. Alright, so on your home tab, you come down to the designer here. This is it right here. We'll click on this. Now it's going to generate some designs ideas for us to select. Alright, so as we scroll through, you will find so many of them, but I guess I'm going to be using this one here. So I'll tap on this. Alright, so now this is it here. It has been added, business company, and then the Learn Digital Skills is down here. Now we are now done with the first one. Now over to the second one here, I'll just simply tap on it. Still on my designer, it's loading. So now it's going to give me something related to the one I'm having on my slide master here, something related to it. Alright, so I'm going to be using this one. Let me use this. Alright, so when we tap on it, this comes up. These are the resources: the money, transportation, and health. Now there's one good thing I actually enjoy about this when it comes to the AI PowerPoint presentation. It actually brings out some of what we'll be needing here. Okay, like looking at this money now, this is the icon for money, this is transportation, the icon for it, and this is health. Alright, so let's say we actually want to add something to this. You come here, you can now come here and add some other text we wish to add. You come down here and add. So I'm not going to be adding any other thing here. So this is just it for my resources. Now over to the next one here, which is the warehouses. On my home tab, I'll just come right straight to the designer, tap on it again. Alright, so let's say I want to use this one. I will simply tap on it. Now, among all of these AI designers you actually see here, if there is a particular type you're looking for that requires you to even search for it, all you just have to do is scroll down to the end, and then this is it. Search for pictures: Los Angeles, Dubai, Canada, London, warehouses, Dubai, all of this. So you can actually search for a particular design idea from any of these here. Alright, so this fits exactly what I'm doing here. Warehouses, this is the location, Los Angeles, and the rest of that. So this is another nice one we did here. Alright, now let's move to the last one, which is the products. Alright, so it's generating some design ideas for us. I will come right here to my design and I will find so many other designs here I can use. I'll just tap on this. Here we go. Now this is it right here. This is our products, the computer, the mouse, and all of this. So one thing with the AI, what I really like that really amazes me about this AI is it actually gives you some of what you are having on your slide. Now it's new that I was actually listing some parts of the computer here, which is the computer, the mouse, the keyboard, and then it gave me a design that is related to what I'm having there, and I really liked what I saw. So this is just how you can actually use the AI in creating your PowerPoint presentation. Alright, so the artificial intelligence is actually a great tool for us to use. Alright, so when you are done with your presentation design using the AI, we're now going to be moving over to the animation tab. This is where we are going to do some animation to our design. So all you have to do is you just tap and then you select any of the animation here. I want the appear for this. Then this one should be the next one. I want the fade for this. Then we'll move over to the next one. I want this, all of this. I want it appear. I move to the next one. This I want flying. Then this I want appear, and this. When I click on this arrow, I'll get more options. I want the split. Alright, so that's for the third one, and then the last one, I want this to come in first. I want the appear on this. Then this one, I want the fade. Then this ones, I want the fly in. Alright, so I'll go to the first one now. Then I go to my slideshow. Let's play it from beginning. Alright, so now for us to play this from beginning, I'll just be tapping on this. Next. Nice. Good. So you see how it's actually working? It's just like that. Alright, so this is just how the PowerPoint presentation works when we use the AI on web. Alright guys, so do not forget, hit that subscribe button if you really enjoyed this video, and also turn on the notification, because on our next video we are going to be looking into the introduction to PowerPoint, how we can understand the PowerPoint as a beginner. Alright guys, so just hit the next video and I'll see you guys right there. Do not forget, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification icon, and continue to share this video via other social media.